The available 4-mode drive system includes Sport, Normal, Econ, and the added Individual mode that allows you to customize your driving preferences. Elevate your expectations in the all-new Honda Accord. What makes the all-new Honda Accord so alluring? Let's take a closer look. Its bold lines and sleek silhouette are further accented by the high-performance LED headlights and available 19-inch alloy wheels. Even the trunk has been further refined, engineered to fully open with just one click of a button. On the inside, you'll find even more to love, starting with an available Bose 12-speaker premium sound system to help set the tone. Along with a spacious interior, the new seat design provides more stability, support, and comfort, while the available leather-trimmed seats add to an already elevated experience. The all-new Honda Accord offers the latest technology, with features that provide convenience and keep you well informed. You'll find the driving information you need is always clearly in view, with the 10.2-inch driver information interface and available head-up display. While audio, media, and available navigation are all easily accessible on an available 12.3-inch color touchscreen display. But if you'd rather go hands-free, you can use your voice to access your favorite apps like available Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play for a helpful, personalized, and seamless driving experience. With available Google Assistant, you can also adjust the audio or even change the temperature in the car. Just say, "Hey Google," to get started. Stay connected wherever you go with available wireless Apple CarPlay compatibility and wireless Android Auto compatibility. And always stay fully charged with the available wireless phone charger. While out on your drive, features like the available blind spot information system with cross-traffic monitor and multi-angle rearview camera give you greater awareness of your surroundings so you can take in every moment of your drive.